Mouldcraft. Quality products from a brand you can trust. Welcome to the Mouldcraft Gelcoat Repair Guide. Mouldcraft Gelcoat is ideal for repairing scratches, chips, and damaged gelcoat surfaces on fiberglass boats, car body kits, and many other GRP parts. It is available in a wide range of colors, and in several pack sizes. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Before starting, make sure you have everything you need. You will need Mouldcraft Gelcoat, MEKP catalyst, acetone, a white paper mixing cup, mixing sticks, laminating brushes, gloves, and abrasive papers. Always wear suitable protective equipment, and work in a well-ventilated area. Step 2. Inspect the damaged area carefully. Check the extent of the damage, and make sure the surrounding GRP is sound before starting the repair. Step 3. Sand the damaged area. Remove any loose or damaged gelcoat, and feather the edges of the repair. This provides a clean, keyed surface for the new gelcoat to bond to. Step 4. Clean the prepared area thoroughly with acetone. Remove all sanding dust, grease, and contamination. Allow the acetone to fully evaporate before continuing. Step 5. Prepare the amount of Mouldcraft Gelcoat required for the repair. Only mix what you can comfortably use within the available working time. Step 6. Add the correct amount of MEKP catalyst to the gelcoat. Follow the catalyst ratio supplied with your Mouldcraft product. Never add catalyst directly to the original gelcoat container. Step 7. Mix the gelcoat and catalyst thoroughly. Scrape around the sides and bottom of the cup, making sure the catalyst is evenly distributed throughout the gelcoat. Once catalyzed, you will normally have around 5 to 20 minutes working time. This will vary depending on temperature and the amount of catalyst used. Step 8. Using a laminating brush, apply the mixed gelcoat directly over the prepared repair. Work the gelcoat into the damaged area, making sure it has good contact with the prepared surface. Step 9. Continue applying the gelcoat evenly across the repair. Keep the application controlled, and avoid spreading unnecessary gelcoat onto the surrounding undamaged surface. Step 10. Build the gelcoat slightly proud of the original surface. Do not try to make it perfectly flush at this stage. The extra material will allow the repair to be sanded back to the correct level later. Step 11. Now, allow the gelcoat to cure. Depending on temperature and catalyst level, curing will normally take around 4 to 24 hours. Make sure the gelcoat has hardened before continuing. Step 12. Once the first application has cured, apply a second layer within 24 hours. Again, leave the final surface slightly proud. This provides enough material for the top layer to be sanded smooth, and blended into the surrounding surface. Step 13. Once fully cured, begin wet sanding with 120 grit abrasive paper. Concentrate on the repaired area, gradually bringing the raised gelcoat down towards the level of the original surface. Step 14. Move on to 240 grit abrasive paper. Continue smoothing the repair, removing the sanding marks left by the previous grade. Step 15. Next, use 400 grit abrasive paper. Keep the surface wet, and sand evenly as the repair begins to blend into the surrounding gelcoat. Step 16. Finish the sanding process with 800 grit abrasive paper. At this stage, the repaired surface should feel smooth, level, and well blended. Step 17. Clean the area thoroughly. Remove all sanding residue, and check that the repair is smooth and even before polishing. Step 18. Now apply Mouldcraft P200 polishing compound. Polish the repaired area until the gloss returns, and the new gelcoat blends into the surrounding finish. Step 19. Your gelcoat repair is now complete. The repaired area should be smooth, glossy, and neatly blended into the original surface. Mouldcraft Gelcoat is available in a wide range of colors. Use our color chart to select the closest match for your repair, or contact Mouldcraft if you need help choosing. Step 20. Mouldcraft Gelcoat can be used for much more than boat repairs. It is ideal for boats, car body kits, automotive GRP panels, and many other fiberglass components. Mouldcraft Gelcoat. Repair, restore, and achieve a professional finish.